Welcome to MarineMax Jacksonville Beach. My name is Ty Miller and I'm aboard Grady-White's new 340 Freedom. Elevated experience on this boat, from the blacked out dash to give it a modern feel, new seating arrangement here at the helm, and additional space throughout the boat make this boat an incredible boat for you to consider. After 20 years of the 330 Express, Grady-White listened to its loyal customer base and really understood what they wanted in moving forward with the 340. This elevated bench seat facing aft for fishing or relaxation. The grill space, refrigerator, additional cooler space all the way across the back, 2 dive doors. The option list goes on. This boat's incredible in terms of what they've done with the space and how efficient it is. Grady-White's engineering team did a phenomenal job inside the new cabin of the 340. The texture, the multiple tones, the quality of the finish, again, elevated finish on this boat, creativity with seating and sleeping arrangements. This new setup at the touch of a button allows you to transform your dinette into an additional sleeping berth. Speaking of sleeping berths, as we come around the back, the mid berth is actually functional, usable space that multiple people could spend the night in. This is a home run for this boat. Every aspect of this boat feels bigger, and it really makes a difference here. Finishing up here on the bow space, you have a tremendous amount of room. This sun pad, new technology like this wireless joystick remote to operate the boat anywhere around the boat, brings a modern touch to this classic brand. It's exactly why you need to come to MarineMax Jacksonville Beach. My name is Ty Miller. Come speak with us. We'd love to get you on the water.